Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your baby girl mama. What's up? In today's video I'm gonna share with you guys my local hairstyle in the village, so keep watching. So guys, I'm back again with another video. As you can see, I'm about to braid my hair, and this attachment is cotton 2. As you can see, I decided to use two colors. Yes, wine red and black. So you guys know that I traveled. I'm in Nigeria, as you guys know. So I'm in Delta State right now. So where we are braiding this hair is in Delta State. So guys, I think these two beautiful ladies did a great job with my hair. Yes guys, to be honest, they tried and they braid the hair very well. Actually, I wanted the hair very big and simple, you know, because of my kids. I don't want the hair to be too full. So this is the style I requested, and they tried so much, as in they did a good job. So guys, continue watching and hope you enjoyed this video. So before I forget, if you're watching me for the first time, you are highly welcome. Yeah, it's your baby girl mama. What's up? So if you have not yet subscribed, please kindly join the family by smashing that red sign that says subscribe. Turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I upload new videos like this. Yes, I normally upload videos on weekly basis, and to my OG returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. I really appreciate. So keep watching, and remember, your thought is needed at the comment section down below. Yeah.
found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow. Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, breathe slow.
So guys, as you guys can see in this video, the hair is finished, and oh my goodness, I love the hair. It was an amazing experience making my hair in the village. So amazing, guys. I really enjoyed my stay in the village. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and share your thoughts at the comment section down below. Honestly guys, the hair didn't cost me much. I spent only $10 for this beautiful hairstyle. To be honest guys, it was fun making this beautiful hairstyle. I really enjoyed my stay in the village. I enjoyed every moment of it. I enjoyed every bit of it. So thank you guys for watching. See you in my next upcoming video. Bye.
Yo.